Kain tayo today ng smoked duck and other Korean dishes dahil premium samgyup ang peg natin ngayon. Of course, you can grill your own, pero meron din silang tepan area kung saan mapapanood mong niluluto mismo yung orders mo. Tapos ewan ko ba ba't sinubukan ko, alam ko namang hindi ko kaya. This place is called Hanpan Samgyup, located sa Friendship Highway, katabing-katabi ng Juno Hair. Merong parking lot at open yan daily from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Meron sila ditong mga set menu and a la carte orders, tapos unlimited yung side dishes. Ang ganda ng quality ng meats at grabe yung side dishes. Doon pa lang ang saya-saya ko na. At habang niluluto ni chef yung mga order nating meats, tikman muna natin yung mga side dishes. Para kang humigup ng sinigang dito sa kimchi jjigae, ang sarap ng asim niya. And then the kimchi fried rice is also really good. Kanin pa lang, ulam na. Yung in-order nga pala naming set menu is 600 pesos per person at eto yung mga meat na kasama. Unang-una yung smoked duck. Ang sarap kasi ng duck. Very light lang siya, almost like chicken, pero meatier, tapos meron ng malinamnam na fatty portion. And then meron itong thick cut na pork samgyup. Si mama gustong-gusto niya yan pero ako mas gusto ko yung duck. And then meron ding shrimp and king oyster mushrooms. You can really tell that it's good quality. And then ituloy natin yung remaining side dishes. Syempre meron tayo ng steamed egg. Tapos etong mga susunod na side dishes, ito yung kumumpleto ng gabi ko. Pinakagusto ko sa lahat ng sinerve nilang side dish itong bean sprout kimchi. Pangalawa itong pamuchim or ito yung onion leeks na kimchi. And of course, hindi mawawala yung traditional na kimchi. Nakailang refill yata kami ng mga yan. At eto pa, yung pickled radish. And I don't know about you, pero for me, this is one of the best ways to enjoy your vegetables. Tapos meron din itong parang mashed potato and other veggies. Apart from the tepan, meron kaming ilan pang mga orders. Eto yung cold soba noodles. Hindi to sikat sa mga Pinoy Kasi ang weird para sa atin ng noodles na lumalangoy sa nagyayelong broth. Tapos usually nilalagyan niya ng mustard and vinegar. It's very refreshing. Actually, gustong-gusto ko to. Para naman kina mama, itong beef and radish soup, almost like galbitang pero sliced beef yung ginamit at hindi beef short rib. Very comforting to at ang sarap lalo pag dinagdagan mo ng pepper yung broth. Meron din tayo nitong sweet and spicy shrimp. And last but not least, yung seafood and scallion pancakes. And in fairness, sa lahat ng napuntahan kong premium samgyup, I would say isa to sa mga may pinaka-affordable options. And the quality of meats and side dishes, nako, ngayon pa lang nga nakagagaling lang namin dyan, iniisip na ni na mama kung kailan sila babalik. Super happy kami sa dining experience namin dito sa Hanpan Samgyup and we're really excited for you guys to try them out.